Hello guys, Victor Isibo here. In this video, I want to help you identify a scam and fraudulent broker. When you're going into the world of Forex, the singular most important decision you will make is your choice of a broker, because that is what will make or mar you. So there are plenty of scam and fraudulent brokers out there. And I'm going to be giving you 10 red flags of a dangerous Forex broker. Number one, withdrawal delays. One of the biggest warning signs is withdrawal delay. Typical excuses include, oh, there's congestion in the blockchain. Oh, we have liquidity provider issues. Oh, we are doing system upgrade. Oh, we are doing compliance review. Legit brokers usually process withdrawals within few hours to a few days, not few weeks. No legitimate broker will sit on your money and say you cannot have access to it till next month. That is a red flag. That's number one way for you to know that this is a fraudulent broker. No legit broker will block your account or block your withdrawal or start giving you issues when it is time for you to withdraw money. It is the very biggest hallmark of a B-book broker, meaning they have liquidity issues. There is no money to pay. So they are trying to delay so that they can rob Peter and give the money to Paul. Number two red flag of a dangerous and fraudulent Forex broker is too many verification requests after you request withdrawal. The broker will suddenly begin to ask for new ID verification, selfie with ID, bank statement, address proof again. This is used to delay or discourage withdrawals. All of these strategies is because there is no money. They don't want you to withdraw. While you are depositing, how many IDs or documents did they ask for? None. Deposit is always very smooth. Withdraw your money, make we see now. It becomes an issue. That is symptomatic of a chronic lack of liquidity. Now, number three, profitable traders get restricted. Now, if there are traders you are copying on the platform, if the traders become consistently profitable, the broker may reduce leverage, increase spreads, limit trade, disable copy trading, or totally close accounts. This is a common complaint against brokers heavily operating B-book risk models. So if you want to do copy trading, for those of you that don't know how to trade, you want to do copy trading, do not do copy trading on a fraudulent broker. If you are looking for a legit broker, shoot me a message and join my group, link in the description of this video, because fraudulent brokers do not want you to make money because of the B-book modus operandi. You must have watched it in the part 1 of this video. Okay. Number 4, copy traders suddenly disappear. A profitable signal provider or copy trader suddenly gets delisted, stops trading, gets banned from the platform. Sometimes this happens after followers start making money copying this particular trader. There have been cases where a Forex broker will approach one of their signal providers and tell that signal provider to deliberately liquidate people by setting bad trades for them to copy. They tell them, liquidate people to the tune of $10 million. We'll give you 1% of it. And this happens a lot when you are copying trades under a fraudulent broker. So you have to be careful the broker you are doing business with. Number 5, unrealistic marketing. Be careful when you see promotions like, hey, we will amplify your capital by 24x. We will amplify your capital by 12x. We give you guaranteed profits. We have 90 to 95% win rates. Our drawdown is 0.8 something. Even the best traders in the world, they have drawdowns of up to 4 to 5%. When they tell you that they can turn your $100 to $10,000 within a year, they are offering you risk-free trading. They are always winning their trades. There are little or no losses, minimal drawdown, 24x your capital amplifier. Real trading involves a lot of risk. And if you look at it very well, Legitimate and well-regulated brokers, they don't do MLM style of marketing. When you even join and you decide to be an affiliate, the bulk of the work is on you to enlighten and guide your people. You don't see different WhatsApp groups carrying the name of legitimate brokers. No, you don't see that. When you see so much shenanigans, so much advertisement, so much glitterati, so much marketing around a particular broker, so much promises, watch them closely. Number 6, heavy focus on recruitment. If the platform focuses more on recruiting members, affiliate commissions, referral bonuses, instead of actual trading performance, it may now begin to resemble MLM style trading schemes. All right, because legitimate A-book brokers, they focus more on trading strategies. They focus more on Forex training, education, enlightenment regarding trading. Trading is the primary thing, while affiliate is secondary. But if the table is turned around in that your broker, everybody you see is a marketer. People are creating WhatsApp groups, printing shirts, wearing face cap, doing seminar up and down, and they are talking less and less about trading, about signals, about education. It's a red flag you need to watch out for. Number 7, unclear regulation. Some brokers claim regulation but use weak offshore jurisdictions. Traders should verify licenses directly with regulators such as Financial Conduct Authority of the UK, that's FCA. That's a good regulator. Australian Securities and Investments Commission, ASIC, Australia, that's a good one. Commodity Futures Trading Commissions in the US, that's a good one. Not that they will now go to Cayman Islands, St. Vincent and Grenadines, St. Lucia, Mauritius, tax havens where they can get away with anything. Regulations in such countries hold no enforcement. There is no capital protection for you as a trader trading under a broker that is registered in a weak offshore jurisdiction. There is no protection for your capital. They can wake up tomorrow and run away with your capital with impunity. Number 8 red flag is platform price manipulation complaints. Users report things like, oh, large slippage, stop loss hunting, prices that differ from the global market. This can happen when the broker controls internal pricing feeds. This is very common with big book brokers. They manipulate everything. Those screenshots you are seeing, those MT5 screenshots, everything is being manipulated. You will learn more as we progress in this video. Now, number 9, aggressive account managers. Be careful. If someone keeps pushing you to deposit more money, try to recover your losses. Deposit more money. They tell you to join a VIP signal group. Legit brokers rarely pressure clients to deposit. Better markets, now they sell itself. A good legitimate project that is around Forex brokerage, they are not desperate in their marketing. Number 10, withdrawal requires more trading. Some platforms say you must trade a certain volume, pay extra liquidity fees, deposit more money first before withdrawals are approved. This is a very serious warning sign. Now, the simple rule many experienced traders use, a common saying in trading is test the withdrawal before trusting the broker. So you deposit small, you trade, withdraw small, you confirm that the system works. Now, let me tell you some tricks that even professional Forex traders may not know about Forex brokers. Now, 5 manipulations by Forex brokers that even some very experienced Forex traders may not know. Number 1, MT5 screenshots can be easily faked. Yes, MT5. Trade on MT5 that we are seeing blue. Yes, it can be easily faked. The trading history screen in MT5 can be manipulated in several ways. You can see edited screenshots. Someone can simply open MT5 history, screenshot the profits, edit the numbers using photo editing apps, because screenshots are just images. They prove nothing by themselves. Number 2, demo accounts can be presented as real accounts. Another common trick is showing demo account results. Demo accounts can start with huge balances, take extremely risky trades, show massive profits. Promoters sometimes present demo profits as if they are real money trading. Be careful. Number 3, multiple accounts until one looks successful. Some signal providers create many trading accounts at the same time. Let me give you an example of their strategy. They open 10 accounts. They use extremely risky trades. 8 accounts blow up. 2 accounts become highly profitable. Then they now show only the winning account. This creates the illusion of consistent trading success. So they hide 8 failures and they flaunt 2 successes. Now I know this number 4 will shock you. Do you know that my FX book statistics can be manipulated? Now, sites like my FS book, they track trading accounts. But even these can sometimes be misleading if users don't understand the details. Now, possible manipulations of my FX book include 1. Hiding losing history. A trader may reset accounts, remove previous history, only show recent profitable trades. So the statistics appear better than reality. Okay. Then we have private investor password. If the account is connected using an investor password only, some key data may not be fully verifiable. Serious traders usually show fully verified trading privileges. Also, let's talk about high risk martingale strategies. Some traders use strategies like martingale, grid trading, extremely high leverage. These can produce long periods of profit, but eventually lead to a very large losses. The account may look amazing for months before finally collapsing. They will not show you the collapse. They will show you the good part. Okay. Then number 5, you have broker controlled trading servers. If a broker operates a closed or manipulated trading environment, even MT5 results can become unreliable. For example, price feeds can differ from the global market. Trades may never reach real liquidity providers. Profits shown on the platform may not reflect actual market trading. This is why verified withdrawals are more important than screenshots. The most reliable proof of trading experienced traders usually look for is long-term verified track records, third-party verification, consistent withdrawals, risk management metrics, that is drawdown, lot size, leverage, not just screenshots of profits. If you want to copy trades of successful traders and make money under a regulated and legit e-book broker, join the community with its link in the description of this video. Until I see you next time, I remain Victor Isibo. It's bye for now.